Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just most satisfying is a complete game changer. Everyone is talking about it lately because it works exactly as advertised. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it makes your daily routine effortless, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. The SI unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal while stocks last. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you've been looking for the